There she is. Hi, buddy. How you feeling? You look super cute. You guys look so handsome. Mommy did such a good job picking out your clothes and getting you dressed and ready.
Boys.
I love it.
You guys do look so handsome.
Mother, may I say, you look like quite a hot mama.
Thank you very much.
One hot mama. One dynamite gal.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Guys, it is family picture day today.
Yep.
It's been quite a week already, but we've been resting this week, and we'll tell you more about that in a little bit. Actually, Lindsay, who's taken our family photos the last few years, just pulled up. We're taking photos at the house this year because we've never taken pictures at our house before, and it's a big thing. Yeah, first year here.
Christmas here, first Thanksgiving here.
Yes, first year to have a dog, so we're gonna have Angus in the family photos. We're so excited. Are you excited, buddy? You look so cute.
Big boy.
Oh my gosh, the legend herself. Lindsay's here. I hope you don't mind our puppy. He loves you already. Good to see you. Yeah, right? So when we were thinking about moving here, Lindsay actually showed us around all of the areas and was like, this is a great part about living here. This is a great part about living here. You guys decide. And so
this particular area you actually showed us.
Yes,
yep, I actually live in this area too. So,
yeah, and she's taken our family photos 3 years now. Yeah. That's crazy, 3 years now. So we're excited to have some more, and we're doing it at the house this year because we've never had this house before. We're not, it's part of the family now. Yes. So here we go.
You ready, Lincoln? You want to take some pictures?
Let's do it.
What up?
What up, y'all?
My outfit is inspired by Blair Waldorf, if you could not tell. Just started Gossip Girl, it's so good. Blair Waldorf, you're my
Yeah, I like
favorite.
that.
Yay, Lincoln! Woohoo! Perfect. I mean, y'all are a good looking group of kiddos.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You're smoldering.
I love it. That's awesome.
Ethan, hit the chat face. Ethan, chat face. Yeah.
I've gotten the best smiles with them after they do that.
Right, exactly.
Stinky, say cheese. Good job, cheese. Yay. Cheese. Good job, Linky. That was a good smile. Yeah. Good job. You.
Work for me, baby, yeah!
I was like, I'll share you whenever. Oh, you're precious. Lincoln.
I love it. That's a very realistic photo right there.
Perfect.
Wait, Linky.
Looks like I'm getting it. Perfect.
We did it! We just finished our family photos and it went really well. Lincoln was such a big boy.
Yeah.
He was standing there by himself, smiling, just being so big. Oh, good job, Linky. So proud of you. So as you guys can see, Lincoln is doing so much better, but earlier this week we had another scare where we had to go into the hospital because he was having more seizures and the back of his head was starting to swell, and so we were obviously super concerned with that, and so we rushed him over to the ER at like 8 o'clock at night. That was Saturday, right?
Yeah, we had just finished. We were teaching the Family Made live.
Yeah.
And Jude texted, and they were.
Yeah, baby.
And he said Lincoln just had a seizure. And we're like, okay, we'll head home now. So we started coming home. On the way home, Jude said he had another seizure.
Yeah.
Like, what the heck? So then we got home, and he had a third seizure.
Yeah.
And he was swelling here with his shunt and here it was starting to seep out through the scalp, like into the scalp. And so it was like really scary looking. So we rushed him up to Vanderbilt, and they had to switch out the shunt. Basically, the shunt failed. Yeah. And they had to completely replace it with a different type of valve.
Yeah, so we stayed up all night in the ER while they were running tests, trying to figure out what was going on. And then they decided that they did need to go ahead and do another surgery. Yeah, Linky.
Yeah.
And I'm just so proud of this boy because he has been so strong and so resilient. You do. You have a lot to say right now, huh?
He's like,
Yeah. I know. Say, I was so brave in the hospital and I did such a good job. And thankfully we stayed 2 nights in the hospital, the first night in the ER, the second night after surgery. I ended up actually sleeping in bed, in the hospital bed with him all night because he wanted me to be like right next to him. And so we didn't really get good sleep because they were coming in like each hour to
I walked
check
in,
on
I was
him.
like, did you sleep in the bed with him? And you're like, yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
But I slept, Ethan slept with me. I had to come home and take him to school.
Yeah, buddy.
Linky, are you so excited to go home? Yeah.
So thankfully, they didn't have to like do a new incision. They were able to go back in the same way that they did the previous surgery, and so no new scars there. And he did kind of bounce back pretty quickly. Yeah. But they said we're gonna have to keep an eye on it the next month to 2 months just to make sure this should be it. But if for some reason it is still malfunctioning, we're gonna have to take the shunt out and do it on the other side. And so that's what we're really, really praying, is that we do not have to redo the shunt and have any more surgeries. Because
we're done with that.
We're so ready to be done, right, Lincoln? We don't
love
want
Vanderbilt, but we don't want to go back for a while.
And they said, you know, most kids, like, they get a shunt and they don't have any issues, but sometimes the body really does have a hard time adjusting to it. And so Lincoln's just been one of those kids.
And so many of you guys have commented too that this has been your story as well. Like a few of you said, I had to have 5 revisions, I've had to have 7 revisions, things like that. Which to me initially, I'm like, oh, that's tough. But then I'm also like, but you're here and you're telling the story and you're encouraging us, like, so that's so encouraging, because even if we do have to go in a few times to get it right, you know,
it's worth it.
I'm pretty confident it'll be right. You know?
Yeah, and in the long run, it's what is necessary to protect Lincoln and to keep him healthy. So we have another 2 weeks out of school. Resting
he
at
loves
home.
that. No, he doesn't love that. He loves school.
He does love school,
If
but
there's
we
any
were
other
loving
kids,
the
they'd
extra
be like,
snuggles.
Yeah.
You're such a big boy. We're just waking up each morning, snuggling together, having a slow morning and breakfast and all of that, and just really, I mean, it changes your perspective when you go through ongoing health challenges like this. I've had a lot of those in my life. It's really hard to see your kids go through it, and so just from a different perspective there, I'm just so grateful that he's doing well and that we're able to get through these challenges, and our faith is a huge part of that. It really does build your faith. Yeah, Reese's over there. Anyway, so we're thankfully home. We're doing well, and I'm just so grateful that we got to have some beautiful family photos taken here in the house, because it's our first year in the house. I cannot wait for Christmas in this home. It's going to be so special.
He did so well in the photos, and Angus too. Like,
I know Angus got in on them.
Getting to do the family photos this year. It just felt so special getting to do them. We actually had these scheduled weeks ago, and it was when he had to go in for his first surgeries. Right. And so we're just now getting to do them, but we'll still have them in time for Christmas photos and Christmas cards and all that good stuff. So.
Do you want to say bye-bye, Lincoln? Bye. Yeah. I think we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and feed the kids dinner and just enjoy the rest of the evening. He's ready to go. But we love you guys so much, and thanks for being here for this little update, family photos, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
See ya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.